Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Reporting, Contributions, and Loans tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to complete the monetary and in-kind contributions received form. Once you have used your MEC ID and password to log into the MEC's electronic filing system and completed the report cover page, you will be taken to the Report menu. Step 2 on the Report menu is where you will enter any contributions and loans received by your committee, starting with the monetary and in-kind contributions received form. Contributions in the form of money are known as monetary contributions. Contributions in a form other than money are known as in-kind contributions. This section provides details of contributions received by the committee during the reporting period and is broken down into itemized contributions and non-itemized contributions. Remember, an individual's contributions must be itemized once their aggregate contributions exceed $100. Contributions from a committee must always be itemized. There are several methods of entering itemized information, including the Add Edit feature, the Import feature, or, if no data exists, simply check the None This Period box. For demonstration purposes, we will manually enter an itemized contribution. Select Add Edit to open the section. From this page, you will enter the required information for the contribution. Be sure to select whether the contribution came from an individual, a business or organization, or another committee to ensure you input the correct information. We will demonstrate by entering a contribution from an individual. Include the contributor's name, the contributor's address, the contributor's employer, or if the person is self-employed, list their occupation, the date the contribution was received, the amount of the contribution, the contributor's aggregate, and whether the contribution was monetary or in kind. Click Save to add this entry to the grid list at the bottom of the screen. When information for each itemized contribution has been saved, select Continue. Remember, an individual's contributions must be itemized once their aggregate contributions exceed $100. Contributions from a committee must always be itemized. However, for cleaner reporting, many committees choose to itemize all contributions received. Non-itemized categories include anonymous contributions under $25 that were not received through a fundraiser, monetary contributions of $100 or less per contributor, and in-kind contributions of $100 or less per contributor. If you choose not to itemize such contributions, simply add all relevant contributions and enter the totals here. If you choose to itemize all contributions received, simply enter 0 into each field. Select the Report menu button to proceed. This concludes our monetary and in-kind contributions tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we will demonstrate how to complete the fundraising events held form.